If your videos don't feel engaging, this could be what you're missing. Welcome back to the InShot Editing series, and today we are tackling voiceovers with the help of a teleprompter,
Add a voiceover to bring your video to life,
auto captions, and how to use AI speech to level up your content.
And let AI transform your script into a voiceover in seconds.
First up, voiceover. Add a voiceover to bring your video to life. Select audio, hit record, turn on the teleprompter, and paste your entire script in the text box. And just record away. This helps you stay on track so you never lose your lines.
Add a voiceover to bring your video to life.
Next up, auto captions. With your voiceover done, use auto captions to instantly generate subtitles for your voiceover. It automatically detects your language and even does bilingual captions so you can reach a wider audience. It can also caption the original audio in your video. Pick a template or customize your text, press Start to generate your captions, and you can skip the typing and save yourself loads of time. Next up, AI speech. If voiceovers aren't your thing, we got you. Press AI speech and paste your entire script in the text box. Select your preferred language. Pick out a voice you like.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
And let AI transform your script into a voiceover in seconds.
Lastly, voice enhance.
Soft breeze, birds chirping, lake and trees nearby.
If your audio sounds a little uneven, press voice enhance to emphasize your background audio. Or shift the focus to your voiceover.
Soft breeze, birds chirping, lake and trees nearby.
You can also play around with a variety of voice effects to switch up the vibe, like robot,
Soft breeze, birds chirping.
witch,
Soft breeze, birds chirping.
or tunnel.
Soft breeze, birds chirping.
Now your edits don't just look good, they sound better too. Save this video and follow us for more video editing tips. Like and subscribe to InShot's channel for weekly editing tricks.